actually not. I know. That'd be kind of nice when I can hear my clicks and everything without my headset on. Recording at this one. I think it's that enough. What is this fucker doing? You can quit out, boy. Hey. Fuck, that kid got raped! What? For what?
Beat your ass?
Yes, because he's obviously cheating! Or 300 ping, my man sucks, bro! Yeah, winners are real, sweaty makers are. Why would he pop that way instead of the way where... Okay then. Okay then, I'm gonna just sit there and circle strafe you and do no... Fuck this game. Fuck you. When they pro on you like this, they're fucking speds. Bro, can... What the fuck? Like, dude. 1.7 abuses are fucking AIDS. It's not. Because you play on it all the time. Like, bro, I can't aim on this fucking laggy ass nigga. What the fuck are you doing, bro? What? Just run through me 3 times, man. I'm done playing games. I'm aiming his ass down, boy. Hate. Hate. My aim is so bad. Alright, 1 second. Just abuse 1.7 and look at those movements and just rate me when you're abusing 1.7. What the fuck is... I need to get this outside out of the way soon. I'm done after this one. Huh? Oh, look, he just has their ping, 178. I'm EU as fuck, but I decided to come abuse on the NA servers. And instead I'm receiving an ass rimming. Right Cardio Diddy, boy. Go Cardio Diddy. Nah. Come to me.
I saw I was gonna share him everything I had for it, but he's a fucking bot, so he uses his GG and I uses it. Fucking bot.
This guy's stick in the corner, bro. You not wanna fucking pot up then, boy. Alright then, boy. You finna get straight down. Straight down. Boy, keep lagging. Keep lagging. Ice. Ice.